September 30, 2024, ngayon po ay araw ng linggo, kaya magbabasa na naman tayo ng mga talata sa Biblia at ating i-interpret. Maganda at maligayang araw sa ating lahat. Before a word is on my tongue, you know it completely. O Yahweh, you hem me in behind and before. You have laid your hand on me. Such knowledge is too wonderful for me. It is high, I cannot attain it. Sa panahon na yon, hindi alam ng tao kung ano ang telepatiya. Bagamat lahat ng tao ay may kakayahang matuto nito. He numbers the stars one by one and calls it by name. Great is our Lord and great is His power. His understanding is infinite. Psalms chapter 147, verse 4 to 5. Astronomy and interplanetary journeys were also unthinkable at the time. He sends His command to the end of the earth, and His word runs swiftly. Psalm 147, verse 15. Wala pang telecommunication. Di tulad ngayon, kahit sa ang sulok ng mundo ay nakakarating ang ating boses sa pamamagitan ng internet.